dear students, we are studying the chapter Nutrition in Animals. So in that, today we are going to discuss about human digestive system, the various parts which are present in a human digestive system. So let us understand what is a human digestive system consists of. So in this picture, you can see various parts, right? So mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, gallbladder, small intestine, rectum, anus, like this there are different parts are there, right? So this is nothing but a human digestive system. A human digestive system consists of a long tube called the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal or digestive tract, or even we call it as gut. Okay, so what is this alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is nothing but a long tube. Okay, so it is around 9 to 10 meters long. Okay, it is 9 to 10 meters long. So it starts from the mouth. Okay, it starts from the mouth and it ends at the anus. Okay, so here you can see these are the parts which are present in the alimentary canal. Don't confuse yourself. Canal means only like a tube-like structure. No, it is not like that. It starts from mouth and various parts are there in this tube. Okay, so this whole tube from mouth to anus is nothing but alimentary canal. Okay, so here it has mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. We are going to study each parts in detail. Okay, so what is this alimentary canal made up of? Alimentary canal is made up of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Okay, first let us start with mouth. So here in this picture you can see this is the mouth. So what is there inside this mouth? If you stand in front of a mirror and open your mouth wide, what and all you can see? You most probably see teeth, right? Tongue, and the thing which you cannot see is salivary gland, right? So we can see teeth, tongue, and this salivary gland is one which we cannot see. So what is this salivary gland and where is this salivary gland present? So in this picture you can see here, so these brown colored spots, this is nothing but a salivary gland. So whenever you see some yummy food, yummy and spicy food, what happens? Suddenly some watery like liquid starts to form inside your mouth, which is nothing but a saliva. Okay, so this saliva is produced by this salivary gland which is present inside our mouth. Okay, so it is a digestive juice produced by the salivary gland. This helps in the digestion. Okay, so where is the salivary gland present? It is present in our mouth underneath the back of our tongue. Hence we cannot see when we open our mouth in front of the mirror, right? So see here, these are the salivary glands which produces the saliva.